Hey there, Windows 11 users! I'll guide you on enabling the touch keyboard. Let's make typing on your touchscreen a breeze. Ready? Let's dive in. Press Windows key plus I to open the Settings app. Navigate to Personalization and select Taskbar. Select Touch Keyboard in System Tray Icons, then choose Always. Now you will see the virtual keyboard at the taskbar. Click the gear icon in the top right corner. Expand the keyboard layout section and pick the desired layout. Press Windows key plus I to open the Settings app. From here, you can adjust the keyboard size and its theme. You can also change the size of the keys or enable background for them.